Okay, welcome to the next video. This is a prime drink and a tumble dryer. So I'm going to put this is on my old tumbles dryer so I can do what I want with it. Let's get a good thumbnail there. Prime energy drink in a washer. There we go. I'm going to put this on refresh because it's cold here. I don't want to set fire to the thing. There we go. Yeah, I'm not going to put it in for longer because there is a tiny bit of heat to that. So yeah, that's a prime drink and a tumble dryer. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.